guys, it's Miss Liz. So last time we talked about owls, so today we're going to be talking about the solar system. So there are about 9 planets in our solar system, and all of the planets revolve around the sun, which means they circle around the sun. And so we're going to go ahead and jump right into a bunch of facts for you guys. Alright, so I have some fun facts about our planets and the sun. So here is our solar system. All the way over here is our sun, and these are all of our planets. So the first, the sun. The Earth can fit in the sun about 109 times, and it is about 10,340 degrees Fahrenheit. So should we visit the Earth or the sun or live on the sun? No, probably not. Our next one, Mercury. It is the first planet from the sun. It is the second smallest of the 9 planets. And if the Earth was a baseball, Mercury would be the size of a softball or golf ball. Has the largest temperature range, ranging from 900 degrees Fahrenheit to negative 300 degrees, and it was discovered in the 1600s. Venus is the second planet from the sun, sometimes called the Earth's sister planet because they're the same size. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, averaging about 900 degrees Fahrenheit. The air is extremely poisonous to humans, and it was also discovered in the 1600s. Earth is the third planet from the sun, the only planet we know of in our solar system that has liquid water we can drink and the air we can breathe. Sometimes called the blue planet because of most of its surface is covered in water. Can you live on Earth? Yes. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun, called the red planet because of its soil. The soil is red. Its temperature is similar to Earth's, but still a lot colder. Its average temperature is about negative 81 degrees Fahrenheit. And the air on Mars is mostly poisonous to humans. It was also discovered in 1610. Our fifth planet, Jupiter, is the biggest planet in our solar system. It can fit 1,321 Earths inside of it. It is a big gas planet and is very windy and stormy there often. Its average temperature is negative 101 degrees Fahrenheit, also discovered in 1610. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun. It is a big outer gas planet like Jupiter, best known for its ring formed of rock, ice, and dust that circle around the planet. It's very, very cold there. The average temperature is about negative 274 degrees Fahrenheit, and also discovered in 1610. Uranus is our seventh planet. It is an outer gas planet just like Saturn. Its average temperature is negative 328 degrees Fahrenheit. Uranus is different from other planets because it is all the way tilted on its side, which means seasons last more than 20 years. It was discovered on March 17th, 1781. Neptune is the 8th planet. It is also a big gas giant. 60 Earths could fit inside of Neptune. It's extremely cold, averaging about negative 426 degrees Fahrenheit. It is the second coldest planet in our solar system. It is also the windiest. The winds blow about 1,200 miles per hour, and was discovered September 23rd of 1846. Pluto. Pluto is the 9th planet. It's not considered a planet anymore, but it is the smallest, and its average temperature is negative 380 degrees Fahrenheit. It is the largest dwarf planet, and it was discovered on February 18th of 1930. Alright, so we learned about our planets. So now we're going to have a fun little craft. Make a fun little craft. So what we want to make is a rocket ship. You can use a paper towel roll or a toilet paper roll. So let's learn how to make it. So first thing I'm going to do is take my toilet paper roll and roll it with some white piece of paper. You can either take it and cut it off right there or just continue rolling. Add some tape on there and just set it aside. So next we will need some different pieces of paper. So I have some orange paper. You can use whatever color paper you'd like. Some black pieces of paper, some yellow. So with the orange and the yellow paper, I just took and cut them up into pretty long strips to make some kind of like fire. We will need some glue and some scissors and a pencil. So to make this, it's going to become the cone. So what you're going to do is take a big container and you're going to draw around in a big circle at the bottom, and then you're going to go ahead and cut it out to make it look like this. Then what you're going to do is make a slit only to the middle, and you're going to overlap the two pieces to make kind of a cone. If there's excess like this one, you can just go ahead and cut it off. And then make sure you got it the right size. And go ahead and tape it down. Just like that. Alright, so we're going to take our glue, go over kind of like the top. It's going to be a little tricky. You can do it a little bit on the outside. Make sure it's going to stick. So then next, I'm going to take my cone and put it right over the top, kind of center it a little bit. You can turn it over, check to see how it is, and you can even add some more glue if needed. So while that dries, we're also going to take some extra pieces of paper that I have, some scraps, and we're going to use these to make some different designs and glue them on. So I'm going to hold it up, kind of put some glue. Remember, dot dot, not a lot. And just like that. And we need some bigger pieces of paper. So I'm going to use some red. I'm going to cut out a chunk and create the wings. Alright, so with the wings, what we're going to do is fold down just a little bit, just like that. And then you're going to go ahead and add some glue, just a little bit of glue to that as well. And stick it right to the bottom of your spaceship. And the same thing with the other side. Just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and put some more designs on there. So let's see. Here's some designs that we can use. Really any shape you want. You can trace and cut, draw them out, cut them, doesn't matter. And we're going to add some windows. So I'm going to take some black piece of paper and cut some squares or rectangles. And glue those on. Just like that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and let these dry for a couple minutes. So while we wait for these to dry, on the inside right here, I'm going to take and make a line of glue. Just like that. And then the strips that I cut out, we're just going to place them inside of the glue. Use your pencil, kind of push down just a little bit, make sure that they're staying. Put them in the right spot you want. You can alternate, you can make them all one color, you can make them different colors, you can add some red, purple, blue, however you'd like. After all of this gets dry, you should end up with something similar or like this in some kind of way. Alright, that's all we have for you guys. You guys can go ahead and take some pictures and send them to us in the comments. Have a great day.